Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to delete a Reddit account permanently. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Reddit's website, or you could directly open Reddit's application on the device. Next, log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. And now once it opens up, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, click on User Settings. Once you've landed on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on the Delete Account button. Next, read the delete page that appears and then agree the condition. Enter your Reddit account's username and password and then click on the delete button. And to finalize your action, tap on delete once again. Your Reddit account will now be permanently deleted. However, please note that once you delete your account, it cannot be restored. So that's it, you're basically done. This was the tutorial on how to delete Reddit account permanently. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.